Hello everyone. It's been a little while since I've made a video involving the Land Rover, but this is just a quick video on an upgrade I made not so long ago to the 1976 Land Rover Series III. This is the Wright Off-Road sound deadening, which I purchased from Wright through his website and installed. Very easy man to deal with. Posted very quickly and installed with great instructions. This is a short wheelbase Land Rover, so obviously I bought the short wheelbase series kit for a 4-cylinder vehicle. I'm showing it to you from this side because, well, the other side, the shelves block access to the driver's door, so I can't really get in and around there just as well. So, comes in 5 parts. Okay, biggest bit is the seat box part. It has to be cut out. Now, I didn't do a great job, and I'm still waiting to stick this down, just here. That's my fault, not the manufacturer's. You have to mark and drill the holes for the seat bolts. I know other people have made little collars to bolster those out a bit, but I just drilled them, put them straight through and bolt them on with lock nuts, so they're not going anywhere. Really nice fit and round, other than that single bulge. I'm really pleased with it. Another part to it is this. This is actually the last part to put in. This runs across the 2 floors and over the transmission tunnel. Slight modification had to be made to it to fit over the overdrive. I did this with a hole saw, actually the same hole saw that I made the hole in the transmission tunnel with, and that went through the rubber really easily and made a nice neat job. Then this is actually the first bit you fit. Sorry, this bit is the first bit you fit. Goes around the sort of the bulkhead. Again, this is diesel. I had to modify it, put a hole in it to allow the fitment of the hand throttle. But there is an impression mark there for that, so that was easy enough. And I have drilled in and put a little instruction plate on it as well. Still haven't got round to putting on a new gator. That's a job to do, purely because this one's falling apart and needs replaced. So, the other 2 bits are these little panels here. They fit in, and really they just finish it off really nicely up the sides. That just needs a little bit of tweaking to stay in there. Other soundproofing, not from Wright, but this rubber mat I bought from a local agricultural webbing store, and to cut the size, it's actually the same sort of stuff you'd put down in stables. That's about ½ an inch thick, and it's cut to 3 feet by 4 feet size. Really good job, very pleased with that. So, between the 2 of them, the sound is incredibly well reduced. This is, remember, a 2 1/4 diesel engine, so you can imagine the racket that was there before. So, really pleased with this, highly recommend it. Please stay tuned for future videos, more involving the Land Rover obviously. I'll have to do a tour video of this soon because I haven't done one in a while. Please like this video, please subscribe to the channel. The button should be appearing on the left hand side of your screen now. Any questions, comments, compliments, criticism, always happy to hear. Thank you.